Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we'll be diving into the best wonder shade for all your outdoor needs, the NBtoUS 2-pack 48.6 Double Canopy Beach Umbrella. If you're someone who loves spending time outside but struggles with the sun's harsh rays, this is a product you won't want to miss. The NBtoUS Beach Umbrella is not just any ordinary sunshade. It's designed with a unique double canopy structure. The space between the two layers of fabric allows for better airflow, which not only keeps the air circulating but also reduces the heat that builds up underneath. So, if you're lounging on a hot beach day or enjoying a sunny picnic, this umbrella will keep the shaded area cool and comfortable. This double-layer design is also a game-changer when it comes to wind resistance. The outer layer acts as a windbreak, preventing the umbrella from flipping inside out, even on breezy days. This makes it a much more reliable option than standard umbrellas. Now, let's talk about size. This umbrella is designed with a 48.6-inch diameter, which is large enough to comfortably accommodate 2 adults. Whether you're at the beach, a sporting event, or camping with friends, this umbrella provides ample coverage for you and a companion. Plus, it's a 2-pack, so you get 2 umbrellas, which is perfect for family trips, outdoor adventures, or just sharing the shade with a friend. When it comes to UV protection, this umbrella excels. With a UPF 50+ rating, it blocks 99.99% of harmful UVA and UVB rays. The fabric has been treated with an ice-plain yarn that enhances its ability to protect your skin from the sun. This makes it an excellent choice for long hours outside, reducing your risk of sunburn or overexposure to UV rays. Whether you're on the beach or at a golf course, this umbrella ensures you can enjoy the outdoors without worrying about the harmful effects of the sun. One of the standout features of this umbrella is the construction. It's equipped with 8 carbon fiber ribs, making it incredibly durable yet lightweight. The carbon fiber ribs also provide additional wind resistance and are rust resistant, making them ideal for all kinds of outdoor activities. The material's lightweight nature ensures that the umbrella is easy to carry, and you won't have to worry about it being too heavy to bring along on your beach trips or camping adventures. The umbrella's clamp system is another feature that sets it apart. It's designed to be easily adjustable with 3 different positions. You can adjust it 360 degrees horizontally and 180 degrees vertically, ensuring you get optimal sun protection throughout the day. Whether you're lounging in your beach chair or sitting in a golf cart, this umbrella allows you to adjust the shade according to the sun's position. You don't have to move your chair or constantly adjust the umbrella. It moves with you for a hands-free experience. The clamp is sturdy, and it attaches securely to chairs, wheelchairs, strollers, or even golf carts, providing a versatile solution for a wide range of outdoor activities. In terms of portability, this umbrella comes with a convenient carrying bag, making it easy to transport. Whether you're headed to the beach, a picnic, or just out in your backyard, you can easily pack up the umbrella and take it with you. It's the perfect companion for any outdoor activity where shade and sun protection are needed. So, if you're looking for a reliable, durable, and comfortable solution to stay shaded and cool during your outdoor adventures, the NBtoUS 2-pack 48.6 Double Canopy Beach Umbrella is the perfect choice. With its impressive size, UV protection, and wind resistance, it truly stands out as the best wonder shade on the market today. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.